small video from BBCK on a great trick which you can do at home. Look at this scratch on the bumper of the car. Yesterday, when the car was parked on the road, a bike fella accidentally done it. Just take a good branded nail color remover, say Lakme or so. You'll need some cotton also. Now drip a few drops of the remover on the cotton and rub it over the scratch. And wow, look, it's gone! Thank you guys for watching. This is Alvin signing off. Bye!